Hi bestie, in this video I'll be working on my 50 envelope saving challenge. If this interests you, hopefully you decide to stay along. Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad you decided to join me today. I do budget videos, plan with me videos, cash stuffing. I share a Happy Meal that I receive as well. So if any of those things interest you, hopefully you do decide to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we're starting off the new year and I'm going to transfer my 50 envelope savings challenge to my new Blackout Savings Challenge book that I'll be working on for 2025. So let me get some pens so I can do this. Right here's my cheat sheet, guys. So I know what I've already done and what I'll be working on. So what you see highlighted in the yellow will be what I cash stuff for this week. So how are you doing? How are you doing as we start off this new year? Are you on track so far for the first week of 2025 with your savings and your financial goals? Let's set in the comments, guys. And if you're doing the 100 envelope challenge this year or 50 envelope, even a 30 envelope challenge this year, leave that in the comment as well. I would love to see who else is doing that because I would love to support and follow your journey as you work on the envelope challenges. So guys, I definitely should have done this beforehand, but we're having a snowstorm and I was trying to hurry up and record all my cash stuffing for the week because I'm leaving home to be with my daughter and my granddaughter during the storm. My daughter was like, "Mom, come over there. So if the electricity come out, I won't be in the cold." And so I said, you know what? Let me pack my things up to go to be with my granddaughter and my daughter. So I just went ahead and recorded everything. And at the time, guys, I'm just trying to rush and get this done. And I think when I had probably about 30 minutes to do all my cast stuffing to record them. So when I said I would do my edits while I'm at her place. So basically with this 50 envelope, I'm almost done with this one. And I'm glad about that. And I definitely need to save some more money because yes, I'm saving for my taxes with the expense. But I definitely need to have money saved for other aspects of my life. So I can have cushions there so if things happen that I am financially prepared for them. So guys, if you watch my budget video, I had mentioned the fact that I have been waiting for the city to reimburse me for my overpayments for one of my water bills. And I received another invoice. They keep sending me all these credit balances. And what amazes me is the fact that I did have an overpayment of my real estate taxes as well, but they're separate. So public utilities is different from the tax assessment department. So the tax assessment, they move fast, guys, because I got that check immediately. But with public utilities, it's a whole, I don't know, it's just a whole nother ball game. Because when I did my inquiry for both of those guys, I did it the same day at the same time. And it just amazes me how different departments work different. So I guess each department with the city, they probably have their own finance department, even though the city does have a finance department. I'm thinking that each of the individual, they have their own finance department. I guess it's kind of like with the state agencies when I worked for the state government, how each state agency, when they had the different program areas, they did have finance people working within them. But then they also had the finance department. So I'm assuming that's what the city is. So I'm guessing I have to contact them. Like, are you going to continue to send me a credit balance invoice and not going to return my money? Because in the meantime, you guys are earning interest on my money. And I've been asking about this for months now. Now, if I had owed the money, they'd probably be turning it off. But anyway, that's my little rant with that. Alright, so now that I've updated this, I just have to do the $50, and that pen don't work right, so let me get another marker so I can do the $50. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the cash stuffing for this week into the 50 envelope. And thank you guys for your patience as I updated this tracker. Okay, so for this paycheck budget for this week, I have budgeted to cash stuff $63 into the 50 envelope challenge. And here's my cheat sheet. So I do have a spreadsheet of my saving challenges, guys, that I monitor and track. And I'm so glad that I do. So let me go ahead and get the $31. Let me go ahead, mark these off so I can notate these, and next I'm going to do the $32. And so when I did close out 2024, guys, if you did see that video, and if you haven't, check out when I closed out 2024 why I cashed. Well, when I added up all the monies in all my binders, well, with this binder right here, when I had added up the 50 envelope binder, I just went ahead and left the denominations based on, separated based on the denomination. So I said, when I go ahead and cash stuff and finish this challenge, I will just continue that. So that's basically it, guys, for the 50 envelope. But I definitely have to update my planner and track that, showing that I did do that. But before I do that, let me update this tracker for those two. And this savings challenge book is on Amazon if you're interested in it. It has monthly challenges, month ahead, and it has these different envelopes available. Okay, so now let me place a paper clip here so I can just go directly to it when I do this challenge again. I have been doing this challenge every week, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do the same thing in 2025, but that's what I was doing in 2024. We'll see. But that's basically it. And I do want to share the quote that I do have this bookmark right here. And I do love this. And it says, don't give up ever, guys. And remember that as you working on your journeys, your financial goals for this year, 2025. Keep going and never give up, guys. And remember to invest in your future and track your savings. Toodles!